To achieve crispiness, flip over, again press from all sides. Finally, transfer the paratha onto a plate. Repeat the same process for the next paratha. I hope you will try this recipe once. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Bye and take care.